What means okay? I don't know. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Mm, mm. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm fine. Thank you for the 8 people here. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Ramel. Gomez. Mad, Joel. Hi. I'm a Joel. Turog na. Kai. Kai. If you're not on the mood, you stop the life. Hi, Patricia Cruz. Yeah, I'm Filipino. I'm a Filipino streamer. Thank you for the thumbs up. Martin Sellers. Like, I don't know. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Mm. Thank you for watching. 6 people here. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I haven't heard your story. Maybe they're sleeping. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you so much. I don't know. I don't know. Good morning, how are you? I'm fine. Richard Ekelberg. Thank you for joining here. Where are you from? I'm from Ekelberg, Richard. I am from California. Nice to meet you. Rainy here. I have a typhoon here in the Philippines. I'm worried about the roof because it's raining inside here. But you are beautiful and lovely. Thank you. Look. having and because of the having a shell. Do you not see? I see. Thank you, Richard. You are a sweetheart. Oh my god. Do you have a family, Richard? Have a kids, partner, wife? Shall talk to the people. Yeah, I talk. Do you have your partner in life, Richard? Will you be my girlfriend? I'm not available. How are you doing today? Hello, beautiful. I'm doing live today. Do sorry today. I work and do sorry. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. How old are you, Richard? And how many girlfriends do you have? Or maybe ex? Hi, Ray. Good morning. You're Team Ticker of our girl. My boo. You too. When I arrive at the wedding, there is no single bridesmaids. I'll never forgive you and Cheryl. You will never forgive me? Why? I am 56. Same age with them. Are you married? Try. Thank you for the thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know as soon as you are available. Duh. Oh my god, I am single. Why are you single? What happened? Why too many people single? What happened? Oh my god. Richard, for your opinion, what is the most important in a relationship to stay long term relationship? Sure, you shine brighter than the sun. Thank you, God, Elsval. Thank you. It's only your duty to blame. Hi, me. Thank you, hi, me. Because we don't have you. Oh my God. Ranets? Ranets? What ranets means? Ranets? Thank you for the 6 people giving the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Be my baby. Huh? Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. It's been since oh, you look kind of worried today. I hope everything is fine. Thank you, Jaime. Thanks, Jaime. Why you don't have the sticker? Um, that I'm not yet monetized. Thank you, Jaime. Somebody better hurry up and do that. That will be better for me. Thank you. Thank you so much. You want me to send? You want to send me the sticker? It helps me to earn money. Oh my god. Thank you for one people here now. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Jaime. Zero shows one, but there's about five in here. Mhm. I am the one that thinks you. Everything in life happens for a reason, and your time is already here. Thank you, Jaime. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining here. Everything happens for a reason. Yeah, that's right. Rainbow. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone here. You have a very happy shirt. I like it. Happy friend. Happy friend. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Hi, Michael. Bonjour, people, two of them. So interesting. Hello. Thank you for watching for people here. And the thumbs up. 5 people here now. It's the sky we can share. For here to interesting. What is Mama's Mercy Michael? By the way, I forgot to tell you. The picture you post, super gorgeous. I love a single one for profession. Thank you, Jaime. Michael, don't know what you're saying. Thank you, Jaime. Meh. To love is so. Sorry. What it means? Hi, Kaya. Hi, Kaya. My girl translator. Hi, Kaya. Hello. Aray ko. Kaya. Kayang-kaya. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. I'm a Filipina. And you, Kaya, where are you from? Nice. Why nice? Your voice is so sweet. You always put me to sleep when you were singing a few seconds ago. Oh my God, Jaime. Albania. Hi, Kaya. Thank you. Welcome here. Nice to meet you, Kaya from Albania. How old are you, Kaya? Oh, same, the same question. Me, I'm 40 years old. And you, how old are you? Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. J'étais fait de bisous à bientôt. À bientôt. Bisous. Merci, Michael. How old are you, Kaya? Okay, good. Okay, good. May I know your age? I'm getting cold. Oh, okay. Now I'm eating bread. Bye. Bye bye. Oh my god. Bye. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for the 8 thumbs up. Enjoy your meal. Bye bye. He must be old. Why? Why you say that? You're so cute. Thank you, Kaya. How old are you, Kaya? How old are you? 25. Oh, you're still too young. Young, he won't see his age. 25 years old, still young. So he eats with Sujil everywhere. Oh no, he did. Okay, no, he did. Yeah. That's how. I'm I'm cold. I feel cold. Oh my god. To bien. Huh? Chante bien. E. Chante bien. My god. Michael, get a English. My god, 40. I can't believe it. 20 years older than you. Huh? Tell me the secret. Why you look so young? 20 years older than you. What? I'm 20 years old, older than you. Or what? What do you mean, Amy? You're 40 and I'm 20 years older than you. Something like that. The secret of maybe that's the camera. That's not. But in real life, I'm not look young. Look, I feel I feel old. I feel I have wrinkles. Yep. Yeah. Because my same age, they look old. That's why they look old. I'm, oh my god, why people think I'm young? He is 60. That's fine. Hello, Cheryl and company. Hi, Dr. Petrovic. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you so much. Your parents had a perfect DNA. Oh my god. You look so young and beautiful. Please tell me the secrets. I don't know. What's the secret? Maybe you're blind because me, I see myself. I'm old. Fashion rise every day. Yeah, my maybe I know need to avoid stress because getting old. Yeah, even if it's life hard, like working hard, but we need to avoid the stress. Jaime, how old is Tim Harley? Again, 45. Hi, Charmazon. That's her secret. Hi, John. He very good looking. Hi, John. Welcome back, John. Oh my God, I felt cold. I need some hug. No, I'm not K 50. Thank you. You're always welcome, John. Just the opposite. I'm older than you. Ah, you're older than me. 20. So you are 60 years old. I'm late. Sylvia Melvois of France of Britain. Merci beaucoup, Marco. You don't have wrinkles, you have perfection. You look, Jaime. Look my, ano, and you look, maybe, wait, you need to look my face. Oh, I'm not looking good. Oh my god, I'm old. I see myself, I'm old. Oh my god. Oh, the wrinkles. I see myself, my wrinkles. You are cold. Yeah, I feel cold. Sichi Jolly, Masibi cold, Michael. I feel cold, John. Thank you for the thumbs up. She looks young and has some wrinkle and has, I believe, some gray hair. No, still, still no gray my hair. It's a pure black. No, still no gray. But no, Ardoque de la Fuente, Mardoque. I think Sir Jaime was referring to a picture in your profile when you were younger. Yeah. Can you put your picture, Jaime, on your profile? Believe me, I was confused for a long time. I heard your age and I couldn't believe it. Oh my god. Yeah, 40. It's, oh my god. It's all editing. It's called editing, Jaime. Uh, oh my god. But you know what, Jaime? A lot of Filipina doing live here on YouTube, and there are so beautiful. No, there are lots on maybe Asian. Shirley is 40. Her birthday is February. Yes, thank you. You remember my birthday. I think you have a beautiful looking skin. I think no. My skin is brown. Not, oh yeah, brown. Look, my skin. It's a brown. Here in the Philippines, people here want a perfect skin here is white. But me, my skin is brown. Zemo keep ton voyage. My God. I do too. Wow, Jaime, it would blow your mind if you knew her real name. Oh my God. What? I do too. Thank you, John. Maybe thank you guys for joining here. A big good dears big OD plus. Yeah. Of course I know your birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Who is Lapisian Michael Toyan? What it means, Mardoke. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. February is a good month. February too, yeah. February said it's an independent woman. For a woman, woman uh, prediction. The prediction. The zodiac sign Aquarius. I was asking where is the swimming pool? Swimming pool? No swimming pool here. Thank you. Oh my god, remember my birthday. Falson. Maybe you're a farmer. Maybe you remember it. I was asking Michael Chen for Mark. Oh my god. Why oh my god? I was asking for Michael Chen. Okay. Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching everyone here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Um, it's only one in front of me now. February 2nd, 9th. I'm getting ready for your birthday. Maybe you're preparing for me to give me a gift. Maybe that's why. Tu vas visiter la bouteille en la mer de Charles Baptiste. Why when I speak Tagalog, he is telling me speak in English? Because he wants to know what you said. That's why he wants to He wants you to speak in English. He wants to understand what you're saying because he don't understand Tagalog. That's why Michael don't speak English. So he says, because I'm the best. Hmm? Why he allows Michael to speak French? I tell Michael to get an English help. Sorry, John. It's midnight here, babe. I'm off to bed. Good night. XXX. Okay, John. Midnight there. Australia. Midnight there in Australia. Good night, John. Sleep well. God bless. Thank you for joining here. God bless you. Sweet dreams. Sleep well. Every day I tell him, and soon he won't be allowed on here if he doesn't. Where is Brittany, Michael? Brittany. I think he's. I think Michael he live in farm. Wait, the motor too loud. My gulay. I think he speak English but won't do it. Yeah, maybe I know. He. Oh my gosh, so. I'm so cold. Can you shout at the motorcycle driver? He is making noise. Yeah, so loud. Motor. So he gets a few more times on us to get English off Michael. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Of course, of course. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Mata nipa may isenipa senipa lamine temperature efficient 20 degree. Here maybe I don't know. I don't know how many degree here. Celsius. Maybe 25 Celsius here. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, parlez anglais. Pour je ne vous comprendre Michael Chan. Hi, Mopsy. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Hi, Mopsy. Martha, okay. Tim, I will talk to him in French. I asked him to speak in English. She's a Fitri child. Hi, Mopsy. How are you, Mopsy? You know, I want hot soup. I need food. You have a boss. You have a boss. My boss give me allowance every week. My boss. Where do you live? Where do you live, Jaime? I forgot. Sorry, Jaime. I forgot. Where do you live? Where are you from? Sorry, I forgot. Sometimes I forgot a lot. Maybe you're living in America. Maybe I think. Papa. Oh my God. Jaime, Jaime. Where are you from? Yeah. Oh, wait lang. Check messenger. Wow. What is that? I don't understand. I can't read. It's a voice message. What do you want? Why you say yes not? What? What you saying? Oh, no. Huh? What? You, Michael Chant, are you still here? Are you still here, Michael Chant? Michael, where are you from? Where are you now? You're saying his name wrong. It's Jamie. Ah, Jamie, not Jaime. Sorry, Jamie. Jamie. Hi, sorry, Jamie, not Jaime. Oh my god. Sorry, Jamie. It's Jamie, not Jaime. Sorry, Jamie. Oh, what? Si moment, vous allez prendre tempeh cyclone o arrive subu protecha family itwa kukwa. Yes. Okay. Sorry, Jamie. I will make you a tasty clam chowder. I don't know if you like it. What is that? Clam? A tasty clam chowder? What is that? It's a bread? Oh, Tim, does Michael knows how to speak English? I already explained it to the host. Ah, USA. Wow. You're from USC. Where in USC do you live, Jamie? Like a soup with clams in it. What clams? Wow. Ah, the clams. Oh, wow. You make a soup for me? Oh my god. It's a hot soup. Oh, what? Clams in it. Oh, shit. There is white clam chowder, orange chowder. Ah, okay. Jenny Pari Pa ang Lady Sally. Um, oh my god. It depends what part of Massachusetts you're from. Yep, yep. I make white clam chowder. It's a creamy white soup. Wow, that's great. You're sweet, guys. Sweet, positive, by. Well, aray ko. Aray. Atay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Jamie, where? What? Jamie? So, Jamie, where are you from in USA? Thank you for the thumbs up. 10 times like now. Hmm. Jamie. Jamie. Where are you from in USA? Cold. Ouch. Thank you for the 5 people here. No. I get the recipe from YouTube. You will love it, I hope. Okay, I will see. I will see the ano to? Wait. I make a tasty clam chowder. Okay. A clam chowder. Ato IBM dance to its ripples. Well, where you from in USA, Jaime? Jamie. Where you from USA, Jamie? Aray. Oh, My leg. Cold. Well, young lady, I hope you get you get warm. I hope you allow me to keep visiting you. Visiting me? Huh? Alright. Uh, why won't you answer a question? Where you from? He means your channel. Ah, okay. Thank you, Jamie. Just with on small OCG me repose. 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 Medieval. Medieval. Voix. Hmm? Hmm? Medieval. Medieval. What it means? Ah, shock. Oh my god. Huh? Oh my god. So- Oh my gulay. English, Michael. Michael, can you speak in English, please? We want to understand you. Thank you. Maybe you need to use your translator. English translator. Yep, yep. Sweet dreams. Bye bye. Thank you, Jamie. Bye bye. I've told him that. Timothy Ogu, sorry, Jay good, good, good. Uh, then Jamie answer your question. Maybe he said he live in the USA. To Jamie. Okay, bye bye for good, Jamie. Okay, bye bye. Love you.